she sang beyond the genius of the sea. 12 vertical surfaces the water never formed to mind or voice, 4 steps across. Like a body, holy body, fluttering concrete, 24 steps. Its empty sleeves, 6 doors, and yet its mimic motion made constant cry, caused constantly a cry, that was not ours although we understood, a pew, 6 strides. Inhuman, as the veritable ocean. The sea was not a mask. 12 strides. No more was she. The song and water were not medleyed sound even if what she sang was what she heard, 46 ceiling tiles, since what she sang was uttered word by word. It may be that in all her phrases stirred the grinding water and the gasping wind, but it was she, 3 hooks, and not the sea we heard. 4 walls. For she was the maker of the song she sang. The ever-hooded, tragic gestured sea 8 by 3.5 strides was merely a place by which 8 5 strides she walked to sing. Whose spirit is this? We said, 7, because we knew 9L, white and blue, 9R, white and blue. It was the spirit that we sought and knew. That we should ask this often as she sang. If it was only the dark voice of the sea that rose, 3 feet and 44 inches, or even colored by many waves, 11 feet and 44 inches. If it was only the outer voice of sky and cloud, and 40 rectangles and 13 strides the sunken coral water-walled, however clear, it would have been deep air, 9 strides, the heaving speech of air, 9 strides, a summer sound repeated in a summer without end and sound alone. 12 strides. But it was more than that, more even 36 outlets than her voice, and ours, among the meaningless plungings of water and the wind 11 lights, theatrical distances, bronze shadows heaped on high horizons, mountainous atmospheres, 50 60 70 80 90 degrees, of sky and sea. -20, -10, 0, 10, 20 degrees. It was her voice that made seafood Thai food the sky acutest at its vanishing. 13 inches by 52 inches. She measured to the hour its solitude. She was the single artificer of the world in which she sang. 1 1/2 inches. And when she sang, the sea, whatever self it had, became the self 3 3/4 inches. That was her song, for she was the maker. Then we, as we beheld her striding there alone, sign, 4 words, exit no smoking office, knew that there never was a world for her except the one she sang and, 2-inch foam over 1 3-inch frame, singing, made. Ramon Fernandez, tell me, if you know, why, when the singing ended and we turned strides from the garage to the opposite wall, 53, toward the town, tell why the glassy lights, 19 rods parallel to the wall, the lights in the fishing boats at anchor there, as the night descended, 5 steps, tilting in the air, mastered the night and portioned out the sea, 17 steps. Fixing emblazoned zones and fiery poles, 4 poles with a perimeter of 52 strides arranging, deepening, enchanting night. Oh! Blessed rage for order, pale Ramon, the maker's rage to order words of the 39 panels on the north wall see, words of the fragrant portals, dimly starred 35 panels on the south wall, and of ourselves and of 24 panels on the east wall our origins, no panels on the west wall. In ghostlier demarcations, keener sounds,